the Congress leaders who have visited Manipur, they have not mentioned anything on the core issue, why it happens and how it has to be treated. They only blame the leaders. They only blame the Prime Minister, but they don't bring any suggestion. If they dare to bring suggestions, tell us first what they have done in the past. What have they done in 1993? Has any Prime Minister visited at the time? This time only few hundreds died, but those days thousands died. Have they expressed their grievances? Have they expressed their regret? If they want to talk about peace, tell us first what they have done in the past. Parliament su hayo. Akoy si toramri no koy di tawde hayo na. 93 the sikiba chang sa sidike helena. The economy that has pushed back was much more than what happened today. But what have they done? Those days were their days, both in center and the state. If they want to teach, they have to show what they have done first, and then teach us. This is the way you have to do it. Just politicking to boy na. Nungai tana leba imabu pamaga photo na masi ay di ure no di utri ko hai na. We are here. We are doing whatever we want. We have to from day one. Tum da ba cha da ba khang da tum ba cha ba khang da koi hone do na. 1993 compared to Rabadi, after a few months, it has gone down so drastically. I don't expect that this will come because whenever any ethnic clash happens, it doesn't cool down very fast. 93 the talk about 7 years chale. Akoi chat pasu ngamde ichinaw kuki singsu kire akoi su kire adu matam da akoi ki self AFSPA na bok tri hona kibalei fabricated house buto relief buto Makoy wahay masu parliament da sige matang da nungay te ko akoy si tawda biyada hay kibalei bro mutam da. When they have not done, why are they shouting in the parliament today? Those are the same leader, the inheritance, the legacy of the Congress past leaders. I, for one, I cannot forget, and I cannot forgive also. 1958 da potoki balodo parthibi da adugo malo su leira moy. What they call it AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Powers Act. Under this act, not is the innocent me kia wahat kibra, not in terms of thousands, in terms of lakhs. As akoy shoy da mo labor. If they really want to preach peace, if they really want to talk about humanity, Parliament handak lagado Parliament da, we regret for bringing that law hay na hayone. Adugum law do sipai sing na su season na ning ramoy. Just because it has become a law, they are forced to do it. They have to kill many innocent men and women under such law. But si bila ito kumalo le bro, ado kanang naputoy, ado nga sisi dalaga mi nung si hayvo gisabito. Are they not the same? As if we are deaf, dumb, and blind. If they really want peace, give us a constructive suggestions. Let us work together to bring peace, understanding. The main core issue of what happened in Manipur continuously, time to time, as the illegal immigrants in India. But Congress they have never mentioned. Rajiv Gandhi's visit 2 or 3 times, he have not mentioned anything about illegal immigrants and the way to stop them. Rahul Gandhi, I mean. I'm sorry. Why do I keep so late? Manipur become a hotspot of drug trafficking. That has become the core issue, followed by poppy plantation. Asidi yade has more high kibelebro. High kibel mutsinda ma high to kibelebro. Adu either they are ignorant about the Manipur situation, or there were the people who are engineering all these issues. As a responsible leader of the country, intending to lead 140 crores of people, they should think for 140 crores of people, not only to strengthen their party only, not only to mislead the ignorant people. And the parliament, if they really mean peace, if they really want peace, if they really love for people, express their regret for what they have not done in the past. Thank you.